All aboard!
Boop! Best seats on top.
Best seats, any seat.
Passengers must wear seatbelts if fitted.
Look, Evie, it's like we're driving the bus.
Please hold the
Beep,
handrail.
beep. Off we go! Woohoo!
Oh, the rumbling of the bus is rocking Evie to sleep.
I know you're sleepy, Evie, but if you sleep now, you won't sleep at home.
Peppa is trying to think of ways to keep Evie awake.
Whoa! The windows are all halved up. I know what we can do. Ta-da! Hello, Evie. Welcome to my bus.
Gosh, listen to that rain. Fast wipers on.
The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. Wipers on the bus go swish, swish,
Oh
swish,
no,
swish,
looks like
swish,
swishing makes Evie sleepy.
Oh, then the bell on the bus goes ding, 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 ding. Bell on the bus goes ding, ding, ding.
All day long. Is anyone actually getting off the bus?
Sorry. You should only ding the bell when you want to get off the bus, Evie.
That's right, Peppa.
We just need a less dingy way to keep Evie awake.
Peppa and George try lots of things to keep Evie awake. George reads Evie a book.
Tweet, tweet.
Peppa plays a game.
I spy with my piggy eye something red. Car. Bus. Daddy! Hi, Daddy! Yay!
And
Peepo,
everyone plays
Peepo,
Peepo with Evie over and over.
Peepo, Peepo, Peepo.
And it's all very tiring. Just not for Evie.
Is this your stop, Mummy Pig? This is us! Quickly, piggies! Oh no, this was our stop. Someone rang the bell.
Peppa and George love riding on the bus with Evie.